Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another video for you guys and I'm really excited for this video. Today I'm going to share my thoughts and my review on this product right here. This is the Dyson Corrale. If you guys didn't know by now, this is a hair straightener by Dyson, and if I'm not wrong they do have several other colors, but this color right here is by far my favorite and I am so in love with this straightener. So I'm quickly going to share with you guys what came in the box, and then I'm going to talk more about the straightener. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Okay, so if you're planning to get the Dyson straightener, this is the box that it comes in, and it's a leather box, the same packaging as the Dyson Airwrap, and then when you open it, the straightener would be here and the charger is inside the box. So it's very sleek and thin, and it's very compact, so it's easy for storage. It does not take up so much of space compared to the Dyson Airwrap. If you guys have the Dyson Airwrap, the storage box is pretty bulky and bigger, but this one is really thin and sleek, so it's easy for storing it anywhere, in fact. So let's check it out, please. And then it also comes with the stand. This stand is for charging, so you actually put the charging cord, you attach the charging cord to this, and let me show you guys, and then you place the Dyson over here and then it charges. So like this, it charges. So you can actually just place this anywhere on your vanity, on your desk, and leave it to charge, and yeah, it's really that simple. And when you're charging the Dyson, there's usually a sound, and you can actually see by the side over here that the battery is charging, and there'll be a red light. So I'm assuming that the red light means that it's still charging. When the red light goes off, it means it's completely charged. And yeah, so that's for charging. And you also get this velvet casing. So this, you can either put the Dyson in as storage and just wrap it and bring it with you anywhere, or you can just leave it as a mat. The best part of this straightener is that it's cordless. As you guys can tell by now, it is cordless, and that is why I really love this. And that's not the only reason why I love this. There's so many other reasons. And the weight of the straightener is pretty heavy. It's on the heavier side, and I feel like it actually plays a part on the impact of your curls. And because of the weight, the grip of it just helps to produce more beautiful curls. So I think the weight of the straightener actually plays a huge part, and I really love the weight, though it feels like you're doing an arm workout every time you curl your hair, but I mean, why not? And this straightener also claims to reduce heat damage, which I'm not sure about, but I do feel that my hair seems a lot healthier after using this straightener. And I also love that it has flexing plates at the side, so you don't actually need to grip the ends of your hair when you're curling your hair. This just helps to make sure that the hair is all secure, if you get what I'm saying. So this is how you open the Dyson, and this is how you switch it on. So as you guys can tell, I have charged my battery a fair bit, and it will prompt you to adjust the settings of the degrees that you want. So it goes up to 210, and that's the heat setting that I usually use the Dyson for. And then I leave it on for a bit, and it gives a sound, and that sound usually prompts you that it's ready for use. If you guys want to see me use this and curl my hair, my entire hair, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll do another video just for that. But right now I'm just going to show you guys real quickly how I do my fringe, just to show you guys how it works. So what I like to do is I just like to take the straightener, put it like this, and twist it this way. and you guys can tell, such a beautiful curl. And always facing on the outside direction of my face. I don't like to curl it, so you're not gonna curl it towards your face, you're gonna curl it facing the outside part of your face. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. So I'm gonna just take this part of my fringe and face it the outside part of my face like that. Such a nice curl, very nice curl. So that's why I really love this. So that's just an example of how I do my fringe, and now I'm just going to shut it off, and it's off. So now I'm just gonna leave it to cool down on this mat and just store it away once it's completely cooled down. Usually when it's completely cooled down, this red light over here goes off. So right now there's a red light on, and that's because it's still hot. So once the red light goes off, it usually means that it's cooled down completely, and that's how you know that the plates are safe to touch and you can store it into the leather box and just keep it away. That's my first thoughts on the Dyson Corrale. It's an amazing straightener, and you guys don't need this straightener, but it's good to have if you are looking for something cordless and if you want less hair damage and something just convenient. I think this straightener is really amazing, but for the price point, it's not a must to have it, but it's definitely nice to have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short review, and I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want to see a hair tutorial, make sure to leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.